Please subscribe and share this video with your friends.
Welcome back to The Dating Den. My name is Christian Anderson and this is
Marnie Batista.
And today we're going to be talking about to confirm or not to confirm. That is the question.
That is the question.
All right, so check it out. What we're talking about is you get the date. The guy through whatever eHarmony or even just calling you says, "Hey, let's go out, let's grab dinner." Facebook chat, whatever it is you're talking. If he tweeted you, I don't care. It's gonna happen, right?
Right.
And now you were supposed to go out. Today is Tuesday. You're gonna hang out next Wednesday, so we're looking at about 8 days.
Right.
Okay.
That's really far in advance.
Okay.
Though.
Okay. Let's give it a 4 day. Let's give it a 5 day.
Let's give it a 4 to 5 day because that's more realistic.
4 to 5 day.
Yeah.
All right. So it's Wednesday and you're going to hang out on Sunday?
Sunday.
All right. So it comes like I call up, "Hey, Marnie.
Hey, Christian. What's up?
Hey, what's going on?" So I was thinking maybe on Sunday we could, I don't know, there's a great thing going on at the Getty. We can hang out there, grab some lunch, look at some good
Oh my God, that
artwork.
sounds amazing. I love that. You picked such a good date. I'm so excited.
Awesome. So how about I pick you up around 11 o'clock on Sunday?
Okay, perfect.
All right. I got your address. I'll see you then.
Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, so now about four and a half days go by, and now it hits Sunday, and the mail guy, let's say Christian, shows up at Marnie's door, knocks on the door. Hey,
At 11.
are you? What's going on? You ready
Oh my
to
God, I
go?
didn't hear from you, and so I'm going to actually have a hike with my girlfriend.
But we had plans.
So in my world, I like totally do the confirmation thing because I got lots of stuff going on. I don't like to leave a space open if I don't really know, but I still want to go out with you. So I'm free like tomorrow after work.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So call me, confirm, make sure we're on,
Yeah.
and then we'll talk then.
Awesome.
Okay, thanks. Sorry.
Great.
Okay.
Christian just learned what most women really like to have in their life. Now, Christian, i.e. a lot of other men in this world, can be extremely casual when it comes down to this idea of confirmation and
Making
when it comes
plans.
making plans.
Right.
We can do last minute stuff. We can do just hey, what's going on? You want to hang out? You want to hang out tonight? We cannot confirm. Women, dudes, if you're watching, women really like that confirmed thing. Whatever it is, with your wife, with your girl, when you're just dating, they dig it, they love it. We tend to be casual, we're chill, because guys with other dudes, when we hang out, we don't really care about that stuff.
So remember when you told me a while back that you will lead where the woman steers, right? So women, my friends out there, if you don't like that feeling you get from like on Saturday in our example, she's like, "Do I have a date tomorrow?" And then your girlfriend's like, "Hey, do you want to go to the farmer's market?" And you're like, "I think I have a date, but I didn't hear from him." And then you get that awkward, uncomfortable feeling. So my goal for you is to not have that and to take control of your life. So Christian really likes me. He wants to go out with me. I don't want to be like, "That was so rude. I confirm," or "You're out." We communicated. It was actually a good, if he would have had this like, "She's high maintenance, I don't want to see her," he would have been out. But it was an opportunity. So the thing is, don't fall into like cool girl syndrome. It's cool. Don't worry. It's cool.
Right.
Because a guy needs to know how much you expect and what you need.
Yeah, and I also liked how when I came to the door, if we're going to replay what just happened about 2 minutes ago. Okay, notice here when Marnie's saying, "Oh, you know what? I'm going to go hiking." There was no bitterness.
No.
It wasn't like, "You know what? I didn't hear from you,
Right.
so I made plans with my girls." Well,
Right.
that's pretty much going to put a kibosh on everything.
Exactly.
So give the guy a break because he's not trying to be an a-hole, okay?
Right.
He honestly is just really chill in that department. Most men are. Now, granted, if he does this multiple times, it might be time to tap out and be like, if he's not learning, then great. That's a value to you, scheduling and also confirming.
Yep.
You're done. But if he doesn't conform, he doesn't change his ways, then not worth it. But the first time, give him a break.
Yeah.
Don't be bitter. Be like, "Hey, I just really like that. It's an important thing to me. I didn't think it was going to happen, so I just went out with my other girls." That's even sexier. It's like, oh, okay.
Right.
She's not high maintenance. She's not freaking out. She moved on with her life. She's got other things going on. She's like, no, it's, she's chill. We love that.
love that.
So, cool. So, bottom line is, dudes.
Confirmed.
It's confirmed. Ladies, show them this, webisode. And
and if they don't confirm, and you feel that icky waiting around feeling, just deal with it and get your needs met.
I'm going to confirm right now. Are we closing this episode right now?
Exactly. And then we got another one coming. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.